Hi everybody, this is me and Emily today, and we are going to show you how to do this really simple but gorgeous bun hairstyle. So I'm starting off by brushing Emily's hair through, and then I'm using a wax spray. So I use the wax spray just to really help tame with any flyaways. I think this product is great if you've got flyaways or static. And then just using my brush now to really make sure that I get like a perfectly smooth ponytail. So just working your way all around the hair, keeping that tension as you put the hair tie in and making a nice tight ponytail. Again, nice and smooth, no flyaways. That's what we want today. So just working that hair through. Next, you're going to take a topsy tail. You can get these from Amazon or eBay and push that through horizontally. Twist the hair to make it easier to deal with. Just place the tail through that topsy tail and then just gently, you can see me just starting to work that hair through nice and gently, getting that tail through. Don't put the topsy tail in your mouth like I did, that was very silly. And then you're just going to pull that ponytail through again, just nice and gently, don't hurt them, all the way through. Now, make sure that wax product has worked all the way through the hair to make it nice and shiny. And then I'm going to place a small elastic at the end of this ponytail just to help me. And then I'm using some hair padding, which is just a cut up donut. And then I'm going to put that at the end of the ponytail and just start wrapping that up. It's just going to help to give this bun a little bit of structure. So you'll just roll that up nice and tightly until you get to the heads, and then use your fingers just to tease that hair over the top of the hair padding. Once you're happy, you'll use some grips and just place those in, and you'll see how simple this is to do. Honestly, it really is a simple hairstyle. This one is, I love it. And then we chose just to put a little bow on, very pretty. And then I'm going to show you a little spin of this hairstyle all the way around so you can see. There's lovely Emily. I'm going to do a nice spin for you. So I just love how this style is really smart, really elegant, great for school picture day or weddings or parties. And let me know in the comments what you guys think.